Welcome back to our 60-day senior fitness series. Today is day 49, and I am so glad you are here with me again. If you are new, please start from day 1 and join us on this daily journey. Before we begin, please grab your sturdy chair and set it in a safe, comfortable position so we can start our exercises together. Exercise number 1. Sit and stand. Please begin by bringing a sturdy chair and placing it firmly on a flat surface so that you feel steady and well supported throughout the entire movement. Sit with your feet placed directly under your knees, your back lifted tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your hands resting gently on your thighs. When you begin to stand, press firmly through your heels. Keep your chest upright, rise slowly, and allow your leg muscles to guide you upward with full control. When you lower yourself, bend your knees gently, engage your core, and return to the chair with slow and steady movement so that your joints stay comfortable and safe. Continue to breathe naturally, stay patient with your body, and keep your rhythm smooth and stable. I would love to know how you are feeling while moving, so please stay with me and continue confidently today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, Exercise number 2, seated knee lifts. Please sit tall at the front edge of your chair, place both feet flat on the floor, and hold the sides of the chair gently so that your body feels balanced and supported. Keep your spine lifted, your shoulders relaxed, and your chest open to allow steady breathing. We will lift one knee at a time, alternating sides smoothly, keeping the movement slow and controlled so that your hip joints stay comfortable and your core muscles stay gently engaged. As you lift each knee, focus on raising it only as high as your body allows without strain. Maintain a calm rhythm, stay patient with yourself, and allow your legs to warm up with every controlled repetition. Please remember to share this video so your senior friends can benefit, and tell me in the comments how your legs feel so far while we continue together. Now let us begin our 50 gentle repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Seniors, remember, exercise is important, but it's only half the solution. Ladies, exercise is powerful, but if you truly want to feel lighter, younger, and more confident in your own skin, you need more than movement alone. Nagano Tonic gives your body the natural boost it's been missing. It fires up your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel vibrant again. Thousands of women your age are seeing real results faster with this tonic. Link in the description. Don't miss your chance to transform your health. Exercise number 3, standing side leg raises. Please stand beside your sturdy chair and place one hand lightly on the back for balance. Keep your body tall, your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your feet set comfortably. You will raise one leg sideways with slow control while avoiding leaning to either side. Hold your core steady and lift your leg only as high as comfortable. Keep breathing naturally and allow the movement to strengthen your hips and improve your balance. You are doing great, and I want you to stay confident while we move together today. Please remember to keep your posture steady, do not lean, and stay focused on smooth lifting so your joints remain comfortable throughout every repetition during this exercise now. I would love to know how you are feeling, so please remember to comment as you follow along with me. Now let us complete our full count with steady and controlled movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job completing day 49 today. How are you feeling right now? Please comment, I completed day 49, and share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can exercise with you. I will see you tomorrow for day 50.